No complicated rituals were there. That is why this was very much popular in the common people. Next is the simple language. This teaching was there in the simple language. Language was Prakrit, Pali. These were the common language used by the common people. Now the two categories, Upasak and Bhikshus. Upasak, two categories he has made to spread this religion. Upasak who lived with the families and the Bhikshus who were the monks, ascetics, जो सन्यासी होते थे, भिक्षुक होते थे, monks होते थे. तो इस दो कैटेगरी में उन्होंने अपने धर्म को डिवाइड किया था. ये नहीं कि दोज हु आर फॉलोइंग द बुद्धिज्म दे शुड बी लिव लाइफ लाइक अ एस्केटिक्स, ये ज़रूर नहीं था. एंड उपासका जो फैमिली के साथ रह के भी बुद्धिस्ट के प्रिंसिपल्स को, मॉरल और कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग प्रिंसिपल्स को अपना सकते थे. तो दीज वर इनटू द टू पार्ट्स, उपासक और भिक्षु. Women were also there in the Buddhist Sangha. Those women who wanted to adapt this, they were also they can also have the Buddhism. Next, he attacked on the institution of caste. मतलब he attacked on the caste system. तो जो lower caste people, untouchables, they got attracted towards the Buddhism because they were suffered a lot by the upper caste people. So casteism के खिलाफ थे ये, इसलिए भी common लोगों ने इसको अपनाया. Then the leadership of Buddha. Buddha himself was a good leader. He was a great orator. He was very calm, patient. So he was the ideal for the people, those who are following the Buddhism. Buddha was the very model of the calm and the sweet majesty. He was gifted with excellent organizing capacity. Buddhist Sangha. Buddha founded Buddhist Sangha to spread his teaching. Male Buddhists were known as, main Buddhist monk was known as Bhikshuk and female Buddhist monk were known as Bhikshuni. तो Buddhist Sangha he has made, ठीक है, to spread the teaching. तो and the Buddhist monk they used to live in the separate place called the monasteries known as viharas, especially constructed for them. Royal patronage, this is again very important. Royal patronage was given to the Buddhism. Ashoka, Kanishka, Harsha embraced Buddhism. These were the big rulers who has adopted the Buddhism. That is why the royal patronage was there to the Buddhism. तो शरण मिली हुई थी. Then the Buddhist council. Buddhist council were held to discuss the various important religious issues connected with Buddhism. Time to time, Buddhism had the various councils where all the important bhikshuk monks and the upasaka, they used to collect together and they resolve if any of the issues arises in the Buddhism. Then the Buddhist universities were also formed. Nalanda University, Takshila, Gaya attracted students from the foreign countries also. They attracted students from the foreign countries also. ये बड़ी बड़ी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ बनने से भी बुद्धिज़्म जो है it was spread to the not only India to the other part of the world as well. So homework I have already told you. The yesterday's homework only you will have to continue. And now I will show you what we have done today. This I have done. देखो कर्मा थ्योरी, निर्वाण, existence of God, ahimsa, no faith in caste system, emphasis on character. Then spread of Buddhism, simple teaching of Buddha, simple language. Two categories he has made, उपासक और भिक्षुक. उपासक जो फैमिली के साथ रह के भी बुद्धिज़्म अपना सकते थे और भिक्षुक जो कि सन्यासी बन जाते थे, मॉन्क बन जाते थे, मोनास्ट्रीज और विहाराज में रहते थे. अटैक ऑन द इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ कास्ट, ही वॉज अगेंस्ट द casteism. Buddha himself was a leader. He has made Buddhist Sangha where Bhikshunis and the Bhikshus they used to live in Sangha or the monasteries जहाँ पे वो बुद्धिज़्म की ही ट्रेनिंग लेते थे, उसको प्रैक्टिस करते थे, उसको प्रोपोगेट करते थे, उसमें इश्यूज़ जो आते थे उनको रिजॉल्व करते थे. तो ही हैज़ मेड बुद्धिस्ट संघा. ये संघ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जितने भी जगह सांची स्तूपा में, सारनाथ में आप जाओगे तो चारों तरफ आपको मोनास्ट्रीज दिखेंगी. नेक्स्ट इज द रॉयल पैट्रोनेज. रॉयल पैट्रोनेज आई हैव शोन यू. रॉयल पैट्रोनेज उनको मिला, बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल उन्होंने बनाई एंड द बुद्धिस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी. पैट्रोनेज एंड यहाँ तक मैंने आपको आज एक्सप्लेन कर दिया. यू जस्ट रिवाइज, रीड इट केयरफुली. इन केस ऑफ एनी डाउट यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट मी. थैंक यू.